The British Indian Ocean Territory is located south of India, about halfway between Africa and Indonesia.
Formerly administered as part of the British Crown Colony of Mauritius, the British Indian Ocean Territory (B.I.O.T) was established as an overseas territory of the UK in 1965. A number of the islands of the territory were later transferred to the Seychelles when it attained independence in 1976. Subsequently, the B.I.O.T has consisted only of the 6 main island groups comprising the Chagos archipelago. Only Diego Garcia, the largest and most southerly of the islands, is inhabited. Diego Garcia contains a joint UK-US naval support facility and hosts one of 4 dedicated ground antennas that assist in the operation of the Global Positioning System (GPS). The U.S. Air Force also operates a telescope array on Diego Garcia as part of the Ground-Based Electro-Optical Deep Space Surveillance System, GODSS, for tracking orbital debris, which can be a hazard to spacecraft and astronauts. Between 1967 and 1973, former agricultural workers, earlier residents in the islands, were relocated primarily to Mauritius, but also to the Seychelles.
The B.I.O.T covers an area of 54,400 square kilometers.
The land area of the B.I.O.T is 60 square kilometers.
The water area is 54,340 square kilometers.
Diego Garcia covers an area of 44 square kilometers. The B.I.O.T has a tropical marine climate. Most areas of the B.I.O.T do not exceed 2 meters in elevation. There are no indigenous inhabitants. Approximately 4,000 U.S. and British military and contract civilian workers are stationed on Diego Garcia. The British Indian Ocean Territory is being administered by a commissioner, resident in the Foreign and Commonwealth Office in London.
The chief of state is Queen Elizabeth II.